Welcome to free Trump coin mining website. This time you are mining in the cloud, right? So the platform is Tiger, and of course they have quite a number of other platforms that I have tried and I've withdrawn from some. So I think this one too will give us withdrawals at the best minimum withdrawal threshold. It said unlimited earnings, high rewards, and easy to use. We offer multiple ways to earn free cryptocurrency through faucet, PTC games, cloud mining, and more. Instant payments and secure platform. So they are using Faucet Pay. So if you do not have a Faucet Pay account, I'll leave you my invite link in the pinned comment so you register. So you will use your Faucet Pay email. So this is featured on Medium, Trustpilot, LinkedIn, and they have a total number of 2,395 users because it's newly launched. And so far, 6.34 Trump withdrawals, referral commissions 1.133 Trumps, and has been online for 13 days. You earn Trump every second. You receive free 250 GHS mining power, welcome bonus, secure website instant payments, no minimum withdrawals, 50% referral commissions, and you earn more bonus, gifts, and bounty. There are frequently asked questions here you want to go through to understand better what the platform is about. And then they have live withdrawals shown here. These are people making their Faucet Pay withdrawals from different countries here, as you can see. And this is the company Tiger Corp, BTC Faucet, Cloud Mining, and more. No investment deposit needed, 0.01 minimum withdrawal. You get that. So without any further ado, let's jump right into it by clicking on create account here. Now you provide your Faucet Pay email address here, and then you serve the security check. I'm looking at 10 plus 4, that will be 14. So that has been served, and then you click on start mining. So we are in, and we have received 250 GHS mining power. As you can rightly see, we are mining Trump coin, and my balance is currently worth this, and my estimated daily profit is 0.0166, right? So as you already know, your referral commissions 50%. Extra banners and bounty includes social media posts, cryptocurrency forum posts, PTC advertising sites, website or blogs posts, making a video on YouTube, and this will earn you the different amounts as assigned here, right? So to contact them, you can see affiliates, Tiger Free, ETH Mining, top. So you contact them there with your partnership. If you want to make a video, you go right on and do that, right? So that's what's up on Trump cloud mining with Tiger. I've actually used one of their platforms and have withdrawn 3 ETH. I share the payment proof on that, so I want to believe every other one of the platforms we pay as well. So jump on the link I'll be leaving for you in the pinned comment on this on the Telegram page, register and start mining free Trump coin. Not a financial advice, I'm not a financial expert, so you endeavor to do your research to understand better what you're signing up for. Thanks, and do have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.